Good morning guys, my name is Mina and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm making myself ready right now, and that is because I'm going to HALLYU WAVE today, which is an event in Antwerp that is completely Korean themed, Korean inspired and whatnot, and I'm kind of in a rush.
And it goes a little something like
You all summer and after fall I'll keep you all
Maar eigenlijk, praat, zeg wat je wil. Hi. Hi. Zo'n krumpje. Hi. Waarvoor was dat nu nodig? En dat is pas zielig. Ja, ik ben een vlog aan het maken. Maar HALLYU WAVE.
Vlog aan het maken.
Omdat het HALLYU WAVE is.
Ja, nou Emina, waarom doet jij dat nou?
LA or like the. It's like the.
It's what?
Seattle of Belgium. I'm sorry, very sorry. I stepped on her shoe.
I told Emina. You little step on her shoes, yeah.
But who are you calling a little bitch?
You,
I don't
obviously.
think that's very nice.
Or I think that's not wrong. Like, where are your manners? Exactly.
In your ass. Ik krijg hier echt Champs-Élysées vibes van in Parijs. Nee? Am I the only one? I'm sorry.
You're like the weirdest person ever.
Maybe beautiful. Nee. La. De K van. Het is nu Orient Festival.
Orient Festival be like. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Eat that shit.
Oh my god. They have a lot.
What is the girl group? What is ice? What is the workshop now?
Maar er is K-pop karaoke.
Now?
Maar, ja, heel de dag.
Oh my god, dat doen?
Ja. Het zijn je stembanden gesmeerd. Wat is Marie aan het doen?
I'm buying a bag.
Ik heb geen idee. Wat zijn dat? De wat?
De cinnamon roll heeft me wel gesmaakt.
Hij was lekker.
De pot is hier.
We hebben de wc gevonden. Kluisjes.
Moest het zijn, we hebben het helemaal gevonden.
Wat is er hier? Ah, we're lost. Frank is wel speciaal. Maar alleen zeg. Het is al op de 6, nee me wachten.
Ik ga het altijd met ik ga nog niet eens eten.
Ja, dat is erg. Heel erg. Wc Park. Release your inner J Park. Ja. Damn. Mag ik je proeven?
En mix.
Yum.
Self-made love. Wat heb jij? Energy. Dat ziet daar zo fris uit. Ja, maar ook niet zo gezond. Dit is niet jou.
And it wouldn't be HALLYU WAVE if you wouldn't do a dancing contest, am I right? But first, I've seen some of these people dance and it's gonna get intense, so we are gonna warm up. I need everybody to stand up. Okay, next up we have Mercury Crew! We got some fangirls in the audience.
이게 바로 무신기라. 춤 들어가요.
Whoa, Mercury Crew!
Look at you, 빨라지는 걸음걸이. Look at me, 호기심을 자극하지. Look at them, 알아챌 수 없는 거리. Baby, don't panic, I'm coming party. 아닌 척하지만 흔들리는 눈. 신호를 칠 듯 말 듯 자꾸 너를 놀려. 애타는 눈빛, 눈짓. 지금 아직 내 이름은 슈퍼 그럼요.
Hello, 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 hello. Can I ask for one thing? Can I have all the crews with me on stage, please? have Warning Crew? Do we have Fruity? Perfect. Do you have Mercury Crew? Damn. Do we have Fire? Do we have Bapuri? Kiwi? Shoot! Okay. And Serious Entertainment? Alright, in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna announce the top 3 from all of them. We're gonna start with the 3rd place. Drum roll, please. 3rd place is Serious Entertainment! 2nd place is Warning Crew! Okay, now, 1st place. I need the biggest drum roll you've ever done. Bigger! 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 1st place, Mercury Crew! It's 100 euros for Hey HALLYU.
Didn't only win 100 euros for Hey HALLYU, but we also won a BTS concert ticket. And you might think, oh my god, that is so cool. Yeah, well, it was for the concert in Busan, 15th of October, and no one of us had money to go to South Korea, so we just have the ticket now, and we're all planning on hanging it on our walls.
Emina! Emina! Ano voel je? Wat heb jij gekregen? Oké. Denk je RM? Ik heb zo'n gevoel. Ik denk Jimin, omdat... Ik denk dat ik Jin ga hebben. Nee, ik denk Yoongi. Yoongi. Ik heb Yoongi al eens. Als het niet Yoongi is, dan zijn we gejost. Open. Ah, ik heb Jin gezegd! Oh my god. Slay. I got Dark and Wild, cause it's like, yeah, how it was stond een keer. Cause I'm Dark and Wild. No. I just want all my BTS albums back because I sold them all.
Okay guys, so I'm finally home. Everyone is asleep. It's like 10:15 and I am going to unbox the album that I bought with the money we won at HALLYU WAVE because we won 1st place. And I used to have this album, but I sold it. I used to have all BTS albums. I have 4 left. Now 5, but like, so I literally had everything up until Love Yourself. Answer. Up until Love Yourself, Answer, I had every single album. And you know what's left of it? These 4. Okay, let's go. I still love how shiny it is. I'm not even gonna like pretend that I don't know what's in here because I know everything. The inside, it's the photo book. I know the lighting sucks, by the way. It is dark outside. I don't have my tripod. I don't have any kind of artificial lighting. Wow, okay. English was not Englishing. This is the photo book. This is the back. I mean, I think everyone knows this concept. I'm first gonna take the photo card out. I kind of want Jimin. Okay. This is the photo card of everyone. Okay. It's Namjoon again.
last time I bought this album, I had Namjoon as well. What the f— I'm going to put this here for a second and just like scroll through the photo book and obviously the lyrics and stuff. Here's the CD. That was basically my amazing unboxing. I'm just gonna put the photo cards in here for now. Oh my god, it's a new version. It has hype prescribed on the back instead of big hit. That's really sad. Anyways, this was my unboxing and this was my HALLYU WAVE Korea vlog. I forgot to film so many things. Bye.